Bakit sila yumamang totoo? Yung mga... Alam nyo, mayroong librong nasulat, Give and Take. Sinulat ni Adam Grant, at ito ay isang best-selling business book. This is not a spiritual book. This is not an inspirational or religious book. It's a business book. But I'm gonna tell you what it says. Dito sa librong ito, merong kinategorize si Adam Grant na tatlong klaseng negosyante. Entrepreneurs. Takers, matchers, and givers. Ang pinag-uusapan niya dito is a core attitude towards life. Yung pag-uugali mo na nadadala mo sa iyong negosyo. Sino-sino itong takers, matchers, at givers? Sabi niya, ang takers at matchers are givers, but who give strategically. Everything is transactional. Magbibigay sila, pero dapat may kapalit. Takers and matchers give only because they will get something in return. In fact, takers give if they give more, if they get more than what they give. Magbibigay lang siya, basta't ito'y babalik sa kanya ng doble o triple o higit pa. Ang matchers, magbibigay siya, basta ito'y bumalik sa akin, at least tabla-tabla man lang. Pero never talo. Hindi sila magpapalugi. Dapat lagi silang panalo o at least bawi. Givers will give without expecting nothing in return. Again, I'm not talking spiritually here. I'm talking business. At ito ang pinag-aralan nila. Givers give because that's the right thing to do. That's who they are. Tandaan nyo yan, kasi pinag-uusapan natin ultimately dito, character. Bakit siya nagbibigay? Sa isip niya, ito ang tamang gawin at ito kasi ako. Okay, napatunayan nila na yung givers will earn less than takers and matchers. Ano ibig sabihin? Talo talaga yung givers. At kikita talaga yung takers at yung matchers. Lugi. Talo, muna. Gets nyo? Minsan, lalagay mo yung importanteng salitang muna. Ibig sabihin, hindi pa tapos. Wait, there's more. Ito ang napag-aralan nila. Panalo yung mga takers at matchers, but if you look at the first phase, yung business ito, talo yung givers kasi bigay siya ng bigay. But at midpoint, an amazing shift takes place. Mga negosyo ito, the success and income of givers start going up. And by the last phase of their business, givers climb to the top of the charts. And givers earn more and succeed more than everyone else. The takers and the matchers will win the 100-meter dash. Meaning kung ito'y takbuhan, sa mas maiksing takbuhan, panalo yung mga kabig ng kabig. But givers will win in the marathon. And life is not a sprint. It's a marathon. Ang buhay naman natin, hindi lang ng mga 100, 200 meter dash Marathon, mahaba ang paglalakbay. At sa mahaba ang paglalakbay, ay hindi lang para sa mga mayayaman. Hindi lang para sa mga negosyante. Hindi lang para sa mga employers or mga bosses. Hindi. Ang pagiging mapagbigay, ang magiging mapagbigay ay nagsisimula yan sa ating lahat. Habang tayo mga empleyado, habang tayo ay, lagi ko sinasabi, walang kinalaman ang pagiging mayaman sa pagiging mapagbigay. Di ba lagi ko sinasabi yan? I'm also talking to you if you're an employee, if you're a starting businessman, kasi kung hindi ka magiging mapagbigay ngayon, hindi ka magiging makapagbigay bukas. The truly rich became rich because they kept on giving. It's not only money that you can give. Iniisip natin, wala naman ako ibibigay na pera, kaya hindi ako makakapagsakripisyo. No. If you're an employee, if you're a starting businessman, if you can give your time and talent. You can give your gratitude and appreciation. You can give your loyalty and faithfulness. You can give your honesty and integrity. You can give your patience and perseverance. You can even give a really good job. Yung takers, pagbigay, gusto ka agad, balik. Wala akong makita dyan, walang kabig dyan. Okay. okay yan. Kumabig ka, pero mabubuhay ka sa isang kahig, isang tuka. Isang trabaho, isang kabig. Pero yung titiisin niyang walang tuka, pero banda doon ay hindi tuka. Baka lamon na yun, meron. Piyesta na. You will be rewarded in the long run. Ang gusto natin i-qualify. Magbigay tayo, pero wag mo din pababayaan ang sarili mo. Kasi may taker, may matcher, may giver, pero may burner. Ano sabihin ng burner? Sinunog mo naman sarili mo niyan. Sa kakabigay, mauupos ka. Burners give until they burn out. We don't want you to burn out. We want you to burn up. Because burners don't have boundaries. And they don't know how to love themselves. Burners, they give and give but do not love. Because what they actually do is to buy love from people. Yan yung mga people pleasers. Hindi yan ang sinasabi namin. Givers, even if they are selfless, have a vibrant, healthy self-love. They sacrifice for others, but they should honor their own needs. Diba, paano ka makakapagbigay? Tandaan nyo, marathon yan, Marathon. Ibig sabihin, mahaba ang buhay. Paano ka makakapagbigay tuloy-tuloy? Alagaan mo din sarili mo. Matuto kayo magpahinga, matuto ka tumanggap, magbigay lang na hindi natin inaasahan ang kapalit. Pero lagi kong sasabihin sa inyo, hindi nyo matatalo ang Diyos sa pagbibigay. Babalik at babalik yan, gugulatin ka.
Thank you so much for watching. And if you were blessed by this video, please like, follow, and subscribe. And share to bless others even more. At siguradong mayroong magandang mangyayari sa'yo. God bless you!